I told him twice, you know.
Maalon.
Call my manager, you can talk to
Maalon.
him. Then I called Krishna. Yeah,
Taas ang alon.
he told me. If you go steakhouse, you have to pay. And if you go to a dining room, you don't have to pay.
Who said that?
I don't know.
Nagsasainos ako sa sobrang lamig. Malamig sa labas. Dining oh. Katatapos lang ng breakfast ko. Pagod ah. Matataas yung alon eh. Hindi kami nakadaong.